Okay, taking it off the throttle body, and I could see now how this works because I couldn't really see anything just because of the location and everything was attached. Now for this, I don't know if this is there's any point to this. I don't know if this is what's making it idle really high or what. But anyhow, the throttle plate, this is pretty much barely touching it, if it's touching it all right now. Not opening it. I just adjusted it, but from what I've seen, it wasn't open. So I don't think that had to do anything with it. Oh, and my TPS is slightly cracked. Still works according to the multimeter perfectly, so I don't think it's that. Alright, there you go. Let me know what you think.